Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today we are talking about passive features which are must in a car at the time of accident, which are must. This will protect us from at the time of accident the passengers. Number one is 2 airbags or 6 airbags, which are must. Second is seat belts, and seat belt tensioner is a must. When the accident happens, the seat belt pulls you up and makes you stiff, so it protects you from getting hit to the steering. Collapsible steering. So at the time of accident, when the steering collapses, so if the steering doesn't hit your chest, which will have a major impact on your chest, which is a must. This is a passive feature which is must in every car, and this will protect you from at the time of accident. Then side curtain airbags. When the car is hit by side, the side curtain airbags open up and it protects you. The passenger is protected from the side. Then knee airbags, which are must. At the time of accident, when the car hits, and if there is knee airbags, which will protect us for your legs and your knees. These are the passive features which are must in your car and which protect you at the time of accident. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.